Hello viewers, hope you all are fine. I am Dr. Nazia Sharmin, presently working as an assistant professor of Biochemistry. Today I will discuss lipoproteins in a very short and interesting way. In my presentation, I will brief some very important guidelines for your study. Here are the key points. First of all, definition, then structural organization of lipoprotein, constituents of lipoproteins, types of lipoproteins, specialty and origin of various lipoprotein, size and density of lipoprotein, and finally functions of specific lipoproteins. Now I am describing the key points in details one after another. First of all, definition. Lipoproteins are the globular macromolecular complexes consisting of lipids and specific proteins called apoproteins. Or we can define simply lipoproteins are the complex lipids composed of lipids and specific proteins. Now come to the structural organization of lipoprotein. Lipoprotein have two layers in its structure. One is central layer, which is hydrophobic in nature and contains triacylglycerols and cholesterol esters. And the second layer or outer layer, that is hydrophilic in nature and consisting of cholesterol, that is free cholesterol, phospholipid and apolipoprotein. Third one is constituents of lipoproteins. There are 5 constituents of lipoproteins like triacylglycerol, cholesterol ester, phospholipids, free cholesterol and apolipoproteins. After composition of lipoprotein, here are the types of lipoproteins such as chylomicron, very low density lipoprotein, low density lipoprotein and high density lipoprotein. Lipoproteins also have some specialty and different origin, like chylomicron originated from intestine, very low density lipoprotein and high density lipoprotein originated from liver, low density lipoprotein originated in blood from very low density lipoprotein. And about their composition, chylomicron and very low density lipoprotein are rich in triacylglycerol and low density lipoprotein rich in cholesterol and phospholipid, and high density lipoprotein are very much rich in phospholipid. Here is the list, but not the last, size and density of lipoprotein. Protein content of lipoprotein is directly proportional to the density of lipoprotein, and lipid content of lipoprotein directly proportional to the size of lipoprotein. That means with increasing protein content, density of lipoprotein will be increased and vice versa. Similarly, with decreasing lipid content, size of the lipoprotein will be decreased and vice versa. At a glance, highest protein indicates highest density with lowest size of lipoprotein, and highest lipid indicates largest size of lipoprotein with lowest density. And the last one is the functions of specific lipoproteins. Mainly, lipoproteins in our body transports lipids from one part to another. Chylomicron carries dietary lipids from intestine to liver and other peripheral tissues. Very low density lipoprotein carries triacylglycerol and cholesterol from liver to peripheral tissue. Low density lipoprotein carries cholesterol to the peripheral tissues, and high density lipoprotein carries cholesterol from the peripheral tissue to the liver for biliary excretion. Thank you.